students. Hope you are all fine. And please make sure that you have watched all the videos in this unit so far. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the next topic, that is magnetic field lines. So far we have discussed about what are some of the basic terminologies we are using in this unit, and what are the properties of a bar magnet. Okay. Then what is meant by a magnetic field? Okay, that we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss about what is magnetic field lines. What is electric field lines? What is electric field? What is magnetic field? Just you recall the first unit. Okay, what is magnetic field? Magnetic field is nothing but the region around the magnet in which the influence of the magnet is there is called as magnetic field. Or magnet சுத்தி அதோட magnetic influence, அதோட effect எது வரைக்கும் இருக்குதோ அதை we will call it as magnetic field. Okay. Then what is this magnetic field lines? Magnetic field lines, it is nothing but, it is suppose if I am talking about a mango something. Okay. So what you will think? Okay, அதை வந்து for example இப்படி நான் வரைஞ்சேன்னா you can say this is a mango, right? So always the pictorial representation is useful to understand so many things, right? Similarly, to understand the magnetic field, the visual representation or pictorial representation, அதை வந்து வரைஞ்சு காமிக்கிறது. Okay, pictorial representation of the magnetic field is called as magnetic field lines. Okay, visual representation or pictorial representation of a magnet is called, the magnetic field is called as magnetic field lines. Okay, suppose this is a bar magnet. Okay, this is a bar magnet. The field will be like this. Okay, the field will be like this. This is the field around the magnet. Okay, so this is called as, suppose if I place another one magnet over here, either it get attraction or it get repelled. Okay, so எது வரைக்கும் அந்த force இருக்குது, attractive force ஆ இருந்தாலும் சரி, repulsive force ஆ இருந்தாலும் சரி, so எந்த இடம் வரைக்கும் இருக்குது, that we will call it as magnetic field. So that representation, pictorial representation is called as magnetic field lines. Clear? Yes. Now we are going to discuss about the properties of a magnetic field line. Similarly, we have studied in first unit the properties of electric field line. Okay. So here we are going to study about the properties of magnetic field lines. Let us discuss one by one. The first property is the magnetic field lines are continuous closed curves. Okay. Suppose this is a bar magnet. Okay. This is a bar magnet. So always the magnetic field lines here, it will start from north pole and ends at the south pole. Okay, in electric field it is always there is one condition, right? Similarly here it will start from north pole and end at the south pole. Okay, that is outside the magnet. So this is the direction of the magnetic field, north to south. Outside the bar magnet the direction is north to south, and also inside there is a direction that is from south to north. Okay, so outside the bar magnet it is from north to south, and inside it is south to north. So it forms a continuous closed loop. Okay, இந்த இடத்துலயே ஒரு break இருக்காது, continuous-ஆ இருக்கும். Okay, so first property is magnetic field lines are continuous closed curves. Okay, suppose another one magnetic field line is here. So this is from north to south. Inside we can see it is from south to north. Okay, similarly here this is from north to south, and inside when you see south to north. So this is about the magnetic field. Okay, so in a magnet it will always, field lines will always form a closed curve. Okay, that is the first property. Outside it is from north pole to south pole, and inside it is from south pole to north pole. The second property is the direction of the magnetic field at any point on the curve is known by drawing tangent to the magnetic line. Okay, suppose I want to find out the direction of the magnetic field. At this point I want to find out the direction of the magnetic field. So what I will do, by drawing a tangent line we can find out the direction of the magnet. எந்த ஒரு பாயிண்ட்லயும் நான் இந்த magnetic field ஓட direction கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படினா simply I can draw a tangent line. ஒரு tangent அதுல வரைஞ்சேன் அப்படினா அதுதான் அதோட direction. அப்போ ஈஸியா கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். Similarly we have studied in electric field lines also. Okay, so in electric field lines first property it is not similar. அங்க வந்து closed curve கிடையாது இல்லையா, பாசிட்டிவ்ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகி நெகட்டிவ்க்கு போகும், அவ்வளவுதான். இங்க அப்படி கிடையாது, இங்க இருந்து போய் இங்க வரும், again from here to here, so closed curve. Second property, it is similar. So when you want to find out at a particular point what is the direction of the magnetic field, you can simply draw a tangent, that is the direction of the magnetic field. So this is the second property. So the next property is magnetic field lines never intersect. Similar property you have studied in electric field also. Can you remember? Electric field lines never intersect. You have studied the reason also. Why they never intersect? Because if the field lines intersect with each other, what happens at this point? If I want to find out the direction of the magnetic field, what happens? So here it will be in this direction. Here it will be in this direction. So if I place a compass needle, so the compass needle can direct in only one direction, right? Two direction at the time adala direct panna mudiyuma mudiyadu. So physically it is not, according to physics it is not possible. At a point two direction is not possible. So the magnetic field lines never intersect. If they ask a reasoning type question, you have to answer. At a point two directions are not possible. If they intersect, there will be two directions. So it is not possible. So the magnetic field lines never intersect. So the last property given in your textbook is the degree of closeness of the field lines determines the relative strength of the magnetic field. Purida? So if I take a magnet, okay, suppose this is the magnetic field, okay. So this is the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field. So you can see at this point, so many magnetic fields are close together, crowded. At this point, the magnetic field is crowded, okay. So எங்க அது crowded இருக்குதோ அதுல தான் ரொம்ப strength இருக்கும். அதோட pole strength, அதாவது அதோட attractive power or repulsive power எங்க ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும், எங்க crowded இருக்கோ அங்க ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும். Okay. So degree of closeness of the field lines determines the relative strength of the magnetic field. The magnetic field ஓட strength determine பண்றது எப்படி பண்ணலாம், அந்த field lines எவ்வளவு close இருக்குதோ அதை வச்சு நம்ம determine பண்ணலாம். Okay. If the magnetic field lines are, okay, if the magnetic field lines are crowded, then we can say it is having strong magnetic field. Okay. If they are thin, if the magnetic field lines are thin, we can say the magnetic fields are very thin, weak. Okay. So these are all the basic properties of a magnetic field. Magnetic field lines forms a closed curve. That's the first property. Then the second property is magnetic field lines never intersect. Okay. Then here the degree of closeness, how much it is, the field lines are closed, we can say it is strengthened. Okay. If it is not closed, we can say it is having a weak magnetic field. If we want to find out the direction of the magnetic field, simply you can draw a tangent. From that you can find out the direction of the magnetic field at any point. So these are the very important properties of magnetic field lines, and this question may be asked for a 3-mark question. Okay. Thank you for watching.